second part of the chapter, adjective and the written local comparison. This is the second part. In the previous part, in part 1, I had explained you the kinds of the adjective and the definition of the adjective. And now today I am going to explain you the position of the adjective and the formation of the adjective. Let's start it. The position of the adjective, that means the placing from where, while writing the sentence, from where we have to write down the adjectives. That can be two positions. The first one is the attributive adjective, the second one is the predicative adjective. In the attributive adjective means that the adjective is placed before the noun. That means an adjective is placed just before the noun is in attributive positions. In such a position, the adjective describes the noun. Let's see the example. He is an intelligent boy. Here, the boy is the noun and before that the word intelligent came. So, it is placed before the noun, telling the quality of the noun, and so it is known as the attributive adjective. Second one is the predicative adjective. Predicative adjective means that an adjective is placed after the linking verbs. That means verbs, and the linking verbs like the words such as, be, become, seem, look, appear, and so many, the linking verbs. So, when the adjective is coming just after the linking verb can be known as the predicative adjective. Let's see what the example. The example is that you look handsome. Here the word look, it is the linking verb, and after that the predicate is coming, so it is the predicative adjective. While explaining you the position of adjective, there are two more places from where the adjective should be placed. The first one is that verb, very often when several adjectives are attached to one noun, they may be placed after it for emphasis. What is the meaning of that is that, suppose a person having more than one quality, then the number of the quality for explaining this, the adjective is placed just after the noun. Let's see with the example. The prince, fearful and determined, came to the rescue of the princess. Here the prince is the noun. In this sentence there are two quality, that means more than one. Here we have explained only the one quality. But if the noun having more than one quality, here in this sentence there are two qualities of the prince have. What is this? That he is fearful and determined also. So when this type of situations are coming, when the several adjectives are there attached to the one noun, then they may be placed just after the noun for the emphasis. Right? Another thing is that in certain phrases is a group of words, so which having a sense but not the complete sense. So in certain phrases, adjectives always come after the noun. See, this is the phrase and the adjective might be just coming after the word boy. Right? Let's see the next section. The next section is the formation of the adjective. The formation of the adjective means when we are adding the suffix in a root words. Right? So, in a root word or in a verb. When we are just framing, we are just adding the suffix to the noun, it will create a adjective. What is the suffix? Suffix, as you all know, the words that can be added at the end of a particular word and changes the meaning. And the opposite of the suffix is the prefix. That means that before the word, when we are adding some word, it is known as a prefix, and when we are adding few words like I-S-H-E, like F-U-L, E-N, I-O-U-S, L-E-S-S, F-U-L, so many suffixes are there. when we are adding at the end of the noun, it is known, then it will create the adjective. So this is the way that we are forming the adjective. Few more like that, the care plus full, gold, and dirt, tea, dirt, dirty, and then sense, less. So these are all the different nouns are there, then in which we are adding the suffix and create the adjective. Let's see the second one. Second one is the having the with the verb also. In a verb also, when we are adding the suffix, it will also create a adjective. See, tired plus less. Tired, less. Tired is a verb. Tired. Three forms of the verb is there of the tired. That is the verb. When we are putting the suffix, adding the suffix on it, it will create the adjective and it became the tireless.